A breast pump is a device designed to extract milk from a lactating woman's breasts. It serves multiple purposes, offering significant benefits to mothers who may need to be away from their babies for work, travel, or health reasons. The use of breast pumps has grown in popularity as awareness of breastfeeding benefits increases and as more women participate in the workforce. Breast pumps are especially valuable in maintaining milk supply, alleviating engorgement, and ensuring that the infant continues to receive breast milk even when direct breastfeeding is not feasible. For many women, breast pumps provide an essential link to their babies during periods of physical separation, allowing them to continue offering nourishment and the immunological benefits of breast milk. There are different types of breast pumps available on the market, each catering to specific needs and preferences. Manual pumps are hand-operated and require physical effort to create suction and extract milk. These are generally smaller, quieter, and more affordable than electric models, making them convenient for occasional use or for travel. On the other hand, electric pumps can be single or double and operate using a motor to generate suction, allowing for quicker and more efficient milk expression. Hospital-grade pumps, which are often rented rather than purchased, offer stronger suction and are designed for frequent or long-term use, making them ideal for mothers of premature babies or those with medical challenges in breastfeeding directly. Breast pump technology has evolved significantly over the years. Modern pumps often mimic the natural rhythm of a baby's suckling to encourage letdown and increase milk output. Many high-end electric models come with adjustable suction levels, digital displays, memory functions, and rechargeable batteries for ease of use and customization. Portability has also become a key feature, with wearable and hands-free pumps entering the market, enabling women to express milk discreetly while performing other tasks. This has empowered more women to integrate pumping seamlessly into their daily lives, reducing the stigma and inconvenience historically associated with expressing milk. The process of pumping breast milk requires some practice and patience, particularly for new mothers. A successful pumping session depends on factors like comfort, correct flange size, relaxation, and the frequency of sessions. The letdown reflex, which releases milk from the milk ducts, can sometimes be influenced by the mother's emotional state or physical comfort. Techniques such as massaging the breasts before or during pumping, using warm compresses, or looking at a picture of the baby can help stimulate milk flow. Storing and handling expressed milk also requires attention to hygiene and proper temperature control. Containers should be sterilized, and breast milk should be refrigerated or frozen according to recommended guidelines to preserve its nutritional quality. For mothers returning to work, breast pumps play a vital role in continuing breastfeeding. Workplace accommodations for pumping, such as private lactation rooms and scheduled breaks, are increasingly recognized as necessary for supporting maternal and infant health. Legislation in many countries mandates such provisions, reflecting a broader societal shift toward acknowledging and supporting breastfeeding mothers. Employers that facilitate breastfeeding are more likely to retain valuable employees, reduce absenteeism related to child illness, and promote a family-friendly work culture. Still, many women face challenges in balancing pumping schedules with demanding work routines, inadequate facilities, or lack of understanding from employers or colleagues. In healthcare settings, breast pumps are used to support mothers facing breastfeeding difficulties due to premature birth, low milk supply, or infant health conditions. Neonatal intensive care units often provide hospital-grade pumps for mothers to establish and maintain milk supply when their babies are too small or ill to breastfeed directly. In such cases, expressed breast milk becomes a critical part of the infant's nutritional care. Lactation consultants play a key role in educating mothers on proper pumping techniques, troubleshooting issues, and setting realistic expectations. Breast pumps can also be part of a weaning strategy or used by adoptive mothers or non-birthing parents who induce lactation for bonding and feeding purposes. Cultural attitudes and economic factors also influence the use and accessibility of breast pumps. In some regions, breast pumps are covered by health insurance or government programs, while in others, they remain out of reach for many families due to cost. Public health campaigns that normalize breast pumping and provide resources to new mothers can greatly enhance breastfeeding success rates. Nonprofit organizations and community groups often step in to offer guidance and even donate pumps to mothers in need. The increasing visibility of breast pumping in media, advertising, and social discourse helps challenge outdated taboos and encourage more inclusive support systems for breastfeeding mothers.